In our last video, we talked about the different types of agentic AI architectures that help marketing teams tackle complex challenges. Now, it's time to take a closer look at the first architecture, prompt chaining, and understand how breaking tasks into structured steps makes campaigns more predictable and error-free. You ask an AI to build a campaign and it gives you 200 variants, all noisy, inconsistent, and unusable. Frustrating, right? In marketing, inconsistency costs money, bad copy, compliance issues, and wasted ad spend. You need reliability, repeatability, and control. That's where prompt chaining comes in. It's a method of breaking a large language task into a series of ordered steps. Each step tackles a smaller problem, gets validated, and then passes its output to the next step. Think of it like a quality-controlled assembly line, where each piece of content, like ads, emails, or campaign messages, is carefully built and refined to ensure accuracy and effectiveness. You wouldn't build a car and paint it in one go. You separate design, safety checks, assembly, then paint. Prompt chaining does the same for language tasks. A robust prompt chain usually has decomposition, specialized prompts, validators, and an aggregator. Step 1. Decompose the goal into discrete subtasks: persona, tone, target benefits, compliance checks, CTA variants. Step 2. Use prompt templates tuned for each subtask. Keep prompts narrow and deterministic for structure-heavy steps. Step 3. Add validators, rule-based checks, rejects, or a small LLM verifier to enforce brand, legal, and factual constraints. Step 4. Aggregate the vetted pieces into a final deliverable and format for each channel. Real example, product launch. Chain flow: 1. Pass product brief. 2. Generate buyer personas and pain points. 3. Create technical and executive headlines. 4. Build A/B variants for ads. 5. Run compliance checks. 6. Export to campaign manager. Each step is verifiable and auditable. From an engineering view, orchestrate chains with a workflow engine, cache stable outputs, use low temperature models for validators, high creativity models for ideation, and log every step for auditability. When every stage is precise, prompt chaining stops being just a workflow. It becomes your marketing assembly line, producing high-quality campaigns at scale, on time, every time, without the guesswork. Next up in this series, parallel processing: how AI helps launch campaigns across channels all at once.